Hey guys, it's Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you my cell phone cover that protects my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, a couple of features about this case that are absolutely awesome has to be this little window right here. It slides right over and protects your camera lens. Now, I use it all the time when I'm not using my camera, just because I know that my lenses are protected in case something was to hit against it. It won't crack those lenses, which is peace of mind. I really love that. And check out this actual design on it. It's very manly, very cool. Absolutely love it. It feels good in your hands, not too bulky, not heavy at all, and it's just well built. I love the simplicity of it and the functionality. Let me show you what it looks like when you put it on. So I got my cell phone. I'm gonna slide it in and pop it into place. There you go. Very cool, sleek, black. Looks awesome. And if I want to use a camera, I just slide it over and there it is, ready to be used. Now the buttons on the side, they work fantastic. Volume up, volume down, power on, there you go. Looks really cool. I love the cell phone case and I think you will too. That's my point of view.